Let me show you how to create awesome smooth gradients in Affinity Designer. Start with drawing a circle that has a radius of 300 pixels. The next thing we're going to do, apply a fill color. Come to fill gradient. Make sure that the gradient type is set to conical. After doing that, remove the stroke color. So grab the gradient tool by clicking on it here or pressing G on your keyboard. So come here, select on this inner point where there is black, and then pick this blue color of ours. So here is the color code. Yeah, so replace it here, and then come here on the outside point where there is white, and then replace it with this pink of ours. The color code is also here. I provided you with the color codes so that for learning purposes. Yeah, like that. So let me move it a little bit up. So the next thing to do here is create a duplicate out of this circle. Before doing that, first rotate this to an angle of 45 degrees. So make sure that you're holding shift on your keyboard as you're rotating so that you come up with perfect angles. Rotate it to an angle of 45 degrees. Press Ctrl Command G on your keyboard to create a duplicate, and then holding shift, move down the duplicate. Yeah, and then rotate the duplicate to an angle of 135. Yeah, 135. So now select all, make sure that they are aligned to the center. Now we are going to make some movements here a little bit so that this is in a straight line with this. So move it a little bit up, yeah, to be like they are joined. So select this downer circle, press G, and then clicking on this inner color, inner point, replace it with the light yellow that we have here. Yeah, so now the next thing, we are going to make adjustments in the gradient level so that these two look like they are merged by one color. So select this upper circle, come to fill here, move this midpoint, or simply come here at the midpoint percentage right there, 75, and then come here, click on the second circle, it's second downer circle, and then come to fill, move the midpoint to 75. Yeah, now you see it's like these two are now merged. They are being merged by one color. Yeah, you can make adjustments according to your choice, like moving the midpoint according to your choice, but for me I decided to use 75 after testing it out. So this is the perfect percentage that you should be moving, that you should move your midpoint to. So now I think I can remove these color codes, they are no longer needed. Now select all this, press Ctrl Command G on your keyboard to group them so that it's one shape. Now the next thing, the last thing that we are going to do is to apply background color. For that case, get a rectangle tool, draw a square or a rectangle that fills up the working space. Now for this case, we are going to use a gradient type of linear. Move it to the back, or just drag this up to the down so that it's at the back. So get your gradient tool, draw, make sure that it is diagonal, make sure that the gradient type you have chose is diagonal. Click anywhere in the middle to add some color in between here. So select this upper point, fill it with this blue that we have here. So grab the picker, select this blue that we are having here, replace it with this pink that we are having in the right upper corner, and then here in the middle we are going to replace it with this somehow orange color. This orange, yeah, it's I don't know how it's called, but grab this color in the middle here, replace it in the middle, and then grab this last point, click on this last point of ours, and then fill it with the pink that we have in our shapes. So now reduce the opacity of this pink that we have in the left downer corner, make the opacity 40%, and select this color that we have in the middle, the one that is like orange. This one that we're having here, it's like orange, it's like yellow. Reduce the opacity to 50%. Yeah, then make some adjustments according to your choice. The adjustments that you see that are looking good according to your eyes, something of this sort. Yeah, to me this is what looks good, somehow perfect to me. I don't know what's according to you, so make adjustments according to your choice. Yeah, so that's it. Here we come up with a smooth gradient. So now the last thing, we are going to add some text. If at all you want to add the text here in the middle, so grab the text tool, the font that I've used called Dosis here, input any text of your choice, make the font color white. Yeah, move it a little bit to the center, make sure that it's a little bit tall. Yeah, give it a good height. Yeah, drag it to the center, then at the end you'll be having something like this. So guys, thank you for watching this video up to the end. If at all you have enjoyed, if at all you have learned something, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and lastly, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as turning on the notification bell so that you get notified when a new upload is made, whenever I make a new tutorial. So guys, stay blessed, have a nice day.